bit, don't you?
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Kaharudinusop. And your name, sir? Your name?
Jason.
Name. Yeah, thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
You too. So this bar, oh, it's not open now?
Yeah.
It is open or no?
Mamaya na lang na.
Going down for a time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on the highway to Hades.
This place is just open, so it's dead. I'm sure later there might be people here. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Mary.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Cool. Anything you want to say?
No, nothing.
Okay. Thank you. So I've been here a couple hours. There's a bunch of like waitress type girls, maybe waitress type girls. There's like 0 customers besides me. Oh, it's only 9. I'll give them till 10. Whatever. Men's toilet. So they play a lot of like 80s songs here, except for they turn them into techno and make them like shitty instead of good. Whatever, man. Oh, fuck.
Love, your compassion, and say to me, a stroke of love for you. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you.
This dude's introducing Jump. I don't know if he's gonna sing it. Look, man, look how he feels everything. I think he's blind.
Walk away when love was mine. Caught up in a world of uphill climbing. You look wonderful tonight.
I'm from the U.S.
You're from the US. I've been there.
Fucking everywhere. Lots of places. I was born in Utah, I lived in California, I lived in Oregon. I lived in China for 10 years.
China.
Yeah.
You're well traveled.
No, I'm not a big fan of the government, but the people are cool. I think. It's, you know,
Are you here for
government sucks.
vacation
I'm
or?
here for vacation.
You're here for vacation.
First time in the Philippines or no?
My 5th time in the
You're
Philippines.
fifth.
I have
How do you
a
find Philippines?
Filipina ex-wife. But I'm not. I wanted to talk to you. I'll talk to you about my personal life after the camera. How's that?
Oh, sure.
Hey.
Okay, ah.
Okay.
What's your name?
Turn off the
Tell us the
camera.
story.
Gladys.
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 What's your band?
Are you a vlogger?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You better did you
Well,
take her
I
video?
don't like that word, but
Did you take her video a while ago?
I didn't take a picture, but I filmed you guys.
Oh, okay.
Gladys, and what's your name, sir?
Scared
You,
na to.
Sai.
Master Sai.
Cyrus.
Nice to meet
What's
you.
the name of your channel?
I'll give it to you in the, well, it's Highway to Hades.
Highway to...
Heaven?
Highway to...
Highway to Hades.
Hades!
Greek mythology,
Yeah.
Hades. Yeah.
Hades, the dark,
Yeah.
the underworld god.
Yes, sir. So what's your band name?
I don't know. We don't have a
You don't know?
Interlude.
You knew?
Interlude, yeah.
Interlude.
Yeah.
Interlude.
It's like a part of a big show.
Oh, you're the middle.
Oh,
You're the middle.
May
You're
mga
the middle
friends sa
part.
YouTube dito na scared na ako. Na-shy na ako.
You post it lang. You
No
post it.
worries, it's okay. Kasi lahat naman ganyan.
What's your name, sir?
Arvin.
Huh?
Arvin.
Harbin.
Yeah.
Harbin?
Arvin. Yeah.
Like a Chinese beer.
Oh, really?
Harbin, it's a Chinese beer, yeah.
Okay.
I'll be like shit
You
out.
sing pretty well.
Ah, yeah. Thank you.
Restless heart, sleep alone tonight. Sending all my love along to why till you see the rain up and down the boulevard, the shadows searching in the night. Lost cause, love wounds, and but anyhow, Don't say, yeah. It's like a knock, you know we still walk. She got a smile that seems to me, reminds me of childhood memories, forever days that you love is bright.
to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.